Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing Guru, where we bring you the best and most on-it gadgets and productivity. Today I have something a little different but super important for all of us who spend long hours working at a desk. So recently I shifted to my new studio and I needed a chair that offers comfort, support and durability. After thorough research, I found the Wakefit Safari Pro high back ergonomic office chair, and today I'll share my unboxing experience and real thoughts after using it for a week. So let's get started. Alright, let's open this up. The package is pretty solid and all the parts are well packed. Here we have the chair components: backrest, seat, armrest, base, wheels and a manual. The build quality looks premium and assembling it seems quite simple. Let me quickly put this together. And here it is, the Wakefit Safari Pro is all set up, and first impression, the chair looks sleek, professional and quite sturdy. But looks aren't everything, right? So I decided to test it out for a full week and see if it actually lives up that hype or not. Let's find out. So finally, after using this chair for a full week, I have to say it has made a huge difference. I used to experience lower back pain and fatigue after sitting for long hours, but this chair has significantly improved my posture and comfort. Let me break down its key feature that makes it such a great choice. First of all, let's come up to its high quality imported mesh. This is breathable mesh, ensure proper air circulation. Coming to the main important seat, high density injection molded foam provides you excellent support and helps reduce discomfort during long sitting hours. Multi-lock synchro tilt mechanism allows you to recline and lock the chair at different angles for better posture and relaxation. High back design supports your neck, shoulder and back, reducing stress and strain. Now how I can forget the adjustable armrest. With PU pads, this ensures a comfortable arm position for all users regardless of height. Now the smooth movement of hydraulic that comes with glass 4 gauge lift allows you smooth height adjustment and absorb shocks for extra comfort. 50 mm nylon casters ensure smooth and stable movement across different floor surface so you can go around everywhere. Heavy duty metal chair base provides superior stability and durability for long term use. Now coming to the color option, brand provides you two different options where there is a single color black and the another color is black and grey, the combination of both the colors. It looks quite stylish, professional look, perfect for any office or studio setup. So basically friends, investing in a high quality ergonomic chair isn't just about comfort, it's about your long term health. That's why having a chair like the Wakefit Safari Pro is a game changer. So after using it for a week, would I recommend it? Absolutely. The Wakefit Safari Pro is an excellent ergonomic chair with great comfort, adjustability and durability. As well as the pricing of the product is quite nice. Now whether you're working for long hours or gaming, this chair is worth every penny. Also they have offline stores in different cities so you can try it out there, and even they are also providing you 100-day buyback guarantee. Although if you want to check it online, the links are given in the description. But before leaving the video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe button to see more such kind of content. Till the time, take care. See you guys in the next one.